You're starting a YouTube channel, but you're unsure how YouTube will understand what your channel is about or the audience to share your videos with. Well, in less than 3 minutes, I'll show you how to set up channel keywords to define your niche and give YouTube the initial information it needs. Without channel keywords, you're missing an easy setup step that will help your channel get noticed and moving faster. So why do keywords matter? Channel keywords help define the overall channel topic, and they're not to be confused with tags. Those are totally separate. Keywords help connect your channel to broader niche categories. They give you a good foundational setup for your channel. Keywords don't provide niche ranking, but rather associate your channel with the niche, which is the foundation for growth. To add channel keywords, once you're logged into YouTube, go to the top right to your icon, click it, go down to YouTube Studio, then on the bottom left, click on Settings, go to Channel, Basic Info, and right here is where we find the Keywords section. When you're adding channel keywords, you want to use broad niche terms. Anything that shows specific expertise or brand relevance. You're trying to let YouTube know what your channel is about so they can get your videos to the right audience. Let's say your channel is focused on helping beginners get started in YouTube. Well, the samples on the screen would be perfect for that. Beginner YouTube tips, OBS Studio tutorials, OpenShot tutorials, and Chat GPT for beginners. You want to be sure that you're not keyword stuffing, you want to avoid irrelevant trends, and you want to avoid repeating the same term excessively. YouTube needs to know what your channel is about, so focus on that, put it in there, and don't be excessive. Start with a base set of keywords and phrases like these on the screen, and as your channel evolves, you can update it, and it's important that you do. If you want more videos like this that answer the questions you have without wasting your time, just come back to see us. If you've got questions or topic suggestions, just drop them in the comments.